I am Daniel. Right now I will demonstrate on how my project are running by coding using Visual Studio Code and Python. So the straight line detection, I've run it and the result will be here. So this is only to detect straight line road detection, and right now we'll be running coding advanced lane detection where it can detect a line in shadow and the curved lane. So it takes 400 plus second to run the 45-second video, and here is the result. So it takes 435 seconds to run 40-second video. So that's the differences. So let's have a look for vehicle detection. So for vehicle detection, let's run it. So several images for detecting non-vehicle and vehicle. So right now running the code for vehicle detection. So it takes about, I believe, 11,000 seconds to complete the code, and we can see at combined pipeline video. So here is the result of the code. So it's successfully done, and